What is up, everybody? Manny Coach here with Helium 10, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Cerebro and the deleted words feature. So we're in Cerebro. I loaded up a makeup brush list here, and you can see at the top there's this deleted words list. Okay, so if I open this up, there's nothing in there. Now, one of the things that I hated about the previous version that is now fixed because of this is that certain keywords just didn't make sense for my product. So let's just say that I'm going through this list here. And I go setting spray. I go, I don't want setting spray. I can click that and it's gone. Brush cleaner, I don't want that. I click it and it's gone. Maybe I don't want Sigma makeup brushes. I click it and it's gone, and so forth. Okay, there was another one down here. NXY, we'll get rid of that one. Under $10, let's say I don't want that. Jaclyn Hill Morph palette. Okay, I don't even know what these things are, but they're all gone. So this is cleaning up my list. Now, it's only temporary, okay? But if I go to deleted words, I can now see the words that I've deleted in here. And if I made a mistake, I go, oh my gosh, I do want under $10 in there. I can return the result and it goes back into my list. This is nice because it's cleaning up this list. And then when I export it, right, it'll now go, it'll be exported without those keywords. So you can clean things up. Now, once I close this and I go to another product, all those, for now, those changes will be gone. Okay, so it's only while you're working on it. So that way, if I do another search for other makeup brushes or whatever it is, anything related to makeup, I might not want those deleted keywords to go and be applied to that particular listing. So this is temporary. It's only while I'm working on this particular product. If you want things that are going to be more permanent, that would go into common words, and I'm going to cover that in another video, okay? Hopefully this has been helpful. I love it because, look, you can just click through things super fast and it just gets rid of them, and it puts them right into this deleted words list, okay? Makes it nice and organized. Super cool. Hopefully this is helpful. Take care, everybody, and keep crushing it.